everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the instant green screen feature inside the Edits app. This is Instagram's own video editing app and it connects directly with your Instagram account. It's super handy if you love making creative content. Okay, let's get started. First, what is Edits app? Basically, it's a video editing app from Instagram that lets you create, cut, and edit video easily. And the cool part is that it's already connected with your Instagram account. So sharing your content is just one tap away. Now just open the Edits app. If you don't already have the app, you can download Edits from the Play Store. And once it's installed, just open it up and then just tap on create menu, and then hit the plus button, this one, and then just import your video that you want to turn into an instant green screen background like this, and then just tap on the video and then just choose or tap green screen, this one, and okay, now you will notice it automatically connects to your camera and instantly cut out your background like this. Basically, it leaves only you in the frames like this. It's pretty cool, right? You can also switch between the front and background camera. Just tap on this icon. Like this. And then it also has a teleprompt on here, so you can use it when you make a video. This instant green screen feature is super useful for creating fun reactions video or tutorials, or even when you want to place yourself in a completely different background without extra editing. And so it saves a ton of time compared to using a separate green screen setup. And then once you're done recording, just hit save, and then from here you can continue editing your video, like add effects, text, or transitions, all directly in the Edits app. And okay, that's it. That's how you use the instant green screen features in Instagram Edits app. It's super simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!